Good day, good morning, employers in Hong Kong. My name is Sidna Macalto. I'm 39 years old. I'm married and have five children. Their ages is 17, 15, 13, 6, and 4. This is my first time to work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong, ma'am and sir, but I have an experience in local in 6 years. I've been taking care of a baby in 4 years, and I've been taking care of the 85 elderly bedridden in 2 years. My main duties is changing the diapers and taking a bath for the baby and for the elderly. And I'm doing as household chores such as cooking, making a laundry, cleaning the house, and taking care of the children. I'm a kind, loyal, trustworthy, hardworking, and honest person, Mama Sir. And if you give me a chance to work in your family, I will promise to do my duties and responsibilities until my contract ends. And also, more contract as long as you needed me. Thank you, Mom and Sir. Have a good day. God bless.